Okay, family and friends, good morning. It's 8:51 as you can see on my clock right there on the stove. So, what I'm doing today is a brine. Um, what I normally put in my brine as far as like aromatics are, I have this half of onion here. I'm just gonna cut it in chunks. Don't have to be cut perfect, just in chunks. The water is boiling. I don't know the amount of water. I just needed to, I have some fresh spring of thyme here. I have some scallions, green onion going in. I have this whole head of garlic. Now everything is already washed right here. Everything is already washed and put in my tray here. So I have a whole head of garlic. I am going to just cut in half. Like so. Just drop that in. I have this piece of ginger. I usually would do my ginger garlic mixture, but because I just want everything, it's still fresh, but I just want everything just nice and aromatic. That's going in. It's already smelling good, trust me. I also have 2 apples, which I'm gonna go in with. And this how whenever I do a brine, I haven't done one since we moved into this house, so you can do your brine however you want. However you want to do it, it's totally up to you. You do it like I always say, your home. You do it for your family. All right, I have a whole lemon, which for this whole lemon, I'm just going to cut it in slices. Like that. And I have a whole orange here. Usually you can just use the peelings from the orange or the peelings from the lime. I just want to put the whole thing in. Now I'm doing this early because my pots that I have, especially my soup pots, they hold heat a lot. They hold a good amount of heat. So the reason why I did this early is because later on in the afternoon, it can cool down by the time I'm ready to put it. Okay. And then for my seasoning, you guys know my seasoning. It's nothing complicated. It's nothing over the top. And I'm also going to sprinkle some rosemary in here. And I forgot to get bay leaves. I'll probably swing by the store, I'll probably have my daughter swing by the store and get some bay leaves. And then I'm going in with my Jamaican seasoning blend. I'm going in with some salt. This Mrs. Dash, I did not measure. Everything is about a tablespoon and a half. And the house is smelling, the kitchen is smelling so good. Okay, and then I'm over on the other side and I'm going in with some paprika. Just going to dump this whole thing. It's not that much is in there. And then I'm going to go in with some black pepper. Now my one of my favorite seasonings is done, so I need to stock up on that, which is the Knorr chicken bouillon. So I don't have that much left. I just have this much in the container, so I'm just gonna put that in. Now I'm gonna let this come to a boil, okay, a steady boil, because I want everything to be mixed up in here. And then I'm going to add some sugar. Yes, some sugar. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. It smells real nice. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much. I'm just going to dump some, it's just some brown sugar. Just going to dump. Got that amount in. That should be enough. Just to take away some of the acidity from the orange and the lemon. You can hear my pot already. It's revving up to boil. It's revving up to boil. So once this comes to a boil, like I said, I'm just going to turn it off and just let it sit. It has all day to cool down until I'm ready this afternoon. Look at that garlic. Till I'm ready this afternoon to put